Hello, guys. Welcome to Knowledge World again. Thanks for your good response on the comment, like in my videos, in terms of the comments and liking as well. And I'm getting so many subscribers daily basis. So let's go ahead with the LinkedIn. I got request recently for LinkedIn how we can use for basic purpose. So here we learn like how we can use it in the basic ways, and further we'll go to the premium section as well. So here, like LinkedIn is logged in front of you already, and here you can see my name. And if you will click on this name, so you can see the different kind of details, and everything is there related to this profile. Let's go to the home, and here in post section, whatever you write here, and you click post, it goes online to your this part, and every person can see that whoever is searching for the related keywords on your LinkedIn. So let's do a post here. Let's say I do have a candidate, or I have a requirement, whatever it is, I'll mention here like, hi, I do have a Java developer, or we do have a Java developer available in Texas, looking for project. Please share your open requirements to, and the official ID of yours or of your colleague, whatever you want to mention, you will mention here like this. And for making it more useful, like always use hashtags, like hashtags hot list, hashtag requirements, hashtag USID staffing, hashtag hot candidate. So something like that, you will make it in the hash form, and then you will click on post. Whenever you will be clicking on the post, so any related hashtag, whenever it would be clicking, anyone is clicking on that, so he or she will find your job there too. If you will focus, so many posts are there, they are mentioning different types of hashtags. So if you will click on that, so it will go that side as well. So this is something for posting purpose. Here you can post photos, videos, and job section is there too if you are going to post any job. So there are two types of job, like one is free and one is paid. Like this thing is I have paid, like free job I posted. So we can see here it was posted 4 weeks ago. So you can do in that way as well. Other than that, like when you click on this Kim Jackson, whenever you will clicking on this pic, you will get frames. So let's say you are a recruiter, so you will click here, hiring would be coming. If you are open to work and looking for the job, you will click on this, you will get attention of the recruiters, like you are the person who is looking for the job. Sometimes it is happening like you are working as recruiter or bench sales, and you are looking job for yourself. So obviously you can do this, and the recruiters and the HR people in your country and industry, they will come to know this guy is looking for the job, so they will reach you accordingly. And if you are working as a hiring person, like you are recruiter, so obviously hiring frame you can select, and then you can click on the same. So like both things like are useful, and we get attention for the people as well for this. So I hope this thing is helpful. And other than that, how to connect to the people, you will search here for anything related to any particular section if you want to. So let's say you want to connect to the people who are working in a particular company, let's say Modis. I searched previously, so just click on Modis, click on this parts employee part. And before you go ahead, I want to tell you one thing. If you are working as band salesperson, so then you are going to search recruiters. And then if you have candidate of any particular location, let's say Texas, so you would be looking for the recruiter. You should look for the recruiters who are local first. People generally, I have seen Bansals people are doing this small mistake. They do have a candidate in New Jersey or Texas or any location, and they search recruiters globally. If your candidate is going to get local projects, so obviously it is helpful for you, and even it would get more attention from the recruiters. So let's say I have a candidate who is in Texas, so I have selected the company first, Modis, and then I will take the location of this. Let's say my candidate is in Texas, so first I would reach Texas recruiters. So okay, and then you will see here more filters are there. You can filter out that as if it is required. Otherwise you will see here, after scrolling, like if you see like any candidate, any profile is there where you want to send the request, so just scroll down and go to that profile slowly, and wherever you feel like, yes, I want to be in connection with this person, so here sometime comes connect and sometime comes message. So if you will click on message, so it would ask to upgrade your plan. So better just open that profile, click on more, connect, and any of these accordingly, connect, and you can leave message as well here. It is taking little time. Meanwhile, you can subscribe the channel or like the things in my YouTube videos, or comment if it is helpful to you. Let's do again. More, connect, connect, and message is not going right now. So like we'll click on connect, and here we'll leave add a note. In note section, you can mention I do have a candidate in Texas, and let's connect and we can work out together, and then you will send the request. I hope it is helpful, and please subscribe the channel. I would request you again, and if videos are helpful, please comment. So I'll be making more. If you have any particular topic or issue, so just comment there. I will would try to cover that as I have been doing that. Thank you. Thanks for watching.